Over the summer, there was a trending article about what happens inside the body when you drink a can of soda. That got us thinking and inspired our new series, What Happens When? In today's conversation, we're starting with what happens when you binge before bed. Now, who over here sometimes enjoys a little midnight snack? I want some honesty up there. Who's a midnight snacker? Nobody? Oh, there she is. I knew the one would break down finally. So what do you like to snack, Hon?
Oreos with milk, cake with milk, cereal. A lot of stuff with milk.
Anything prompt you to do it, or just like doing it at midnight?
I'll stay up late and I'll get hungry, and that's the fastest thing, so that's what I grab.
Who thinks they may have binged with food a little too much last night?
I probably did.
She's up there. You did too also. We got a bunch of folks back there. Thank you for being honest about it. So you had all that together, all of it at once. All right, here's what we're going to do. I want to talk to you about what actually happens when you binge before bed. Take a look.
It's time for bed, but it's also been hours since dinner. And you're starving. A piece of chocolate turns into a spoonful of peanut butter, which turns into chips, which turns into leftover Chinese food. You lay down in bed, and now that you're horizontal, it's easier for the food to flow the wrong way, sending acid from your stomach back up into your esophagus, causing heartburn. The food does eventually make its way to your intestines, but as your body lulls off to sleep, your entire digestive system slows down. Now your late-night binge sits in your gut much longer than it should, causing fermentation and leading to a buildup of gas while you sleep. And that's why you wake up feeling bloated and gassy.
Now, many of you did not acknowledge your late-night eating habits, but let me ask you this. How many of you wake up in the morning feeling a little gassy, a little bloated? Hands? Are you in that category?
Yes. I like very spicy food.
You do?
So no matter what time, my food should be very spicy.
You got a spicy personality.
Oh, very. And maybe I do this, I know it's wrong, but 9, 10 o'clock in the night, I got to have something like that.
It makes you a little gassy in the morning?
Yes, in the morning. I bloat and I gas a lot.
Has she been gassy since you've been here?
Not now.
She's doing that now.
I'm watching that.
Here's the thing. Eating before bed isn't that much worse than eating a lot of food at other times of the day. But as you saw, the gut does sort of want to go to sleep, so be thoughtful about it. And also, don't forget, 3,500 calories is a pound, right? You do a lot of binging at night, you can't burn off those calories. Over time, you'll be able to tell the difference, and so will other people. You don't want to do that. So, otherwise, enjoy yourselves, all right? And once in a while, it's okay to feed your cravings. That, as you found that, it makes it a little spicier in life. Up next, we're headed to bed. In fact, I'm showing you how I sleep, literally how I sleep. And we're going to learn how many hours is just the right amount for you. We'll be right back.